Hi, sixth graders. You are going to be doing some stations. So this is your directions for the stations, all right? So you can click on these to get to the ones that you need to get to. The challenge we're actually not doing. Otherwise, you can just go through the slideshow. You'll type your answers directly on here. So for this one, you're going to click here and watch this video, and then you answer the questions over here on the side. You type your answers in. I would suggest changing the color so it's like a bright color, but you definitely don't have to. Here's the read it. So you read through, and then over on the side you write definitions, or you can draw a picture that represents those terms. And there's a second page to that as well. Then there's some questions that you need to answer. They're multiple choice. These are based on the reading. Then we have the explore it. You look at the sun and the earth there and answer the questions on the side. And this one can be helpful for the Explore It. Explore It Part 2, answer the questions. You can go back to the last slide if you have, it's like a help page for you. And then same for this one. Research It, you're going to click on this interactive, follow the directions, and then answer the questions. Organize It, you drag these earths, you have to be in edit mode, but you drag the earths to their positions, and you can drag the sun to the position as well. Illustrate It, it's asking you to draw a picture on a piece of paper and then take a picture of it and upload it into this. If you're struggling with uploading it, just draw it on the sheet of paper and you can just give that to me or Mr. Clocker. This page explains to you how to upload it, but again, don't stress out over uploading it. You can just hand us the paper. Then the write it, there's some questions to answer. These should be multiple sentences. They shouldn't be just like one sentence answers. There's 3 questions of that. And then the assess it, multiple choice questions to answer. Fill in the blank with the vocabulary words. If you go back to the read it section, it's the words that you used in that section. So those are the words that will go in those blanks. And that's it. Once you're finished, you will submit this on Schoology. Let us know if you have any questions.